What's up, everybody? Welcome to Queer Girl Straight Skates. Today I'm going to be reviewing for you the Sure Grip Fame. Queer Girl Straight Skates! Queer Girl Straight Skates is a channel full of all sorts of roller skating goodness. I have reviews, tutorials, and general roller skating lifestyle content. So if you're looking to learn how to roller skate or you've been roller skating for a lifetime, I highly recommend that you subscribe. Alright, so today I'm doing a review of the Sure Grip Fame. Lots of you have asked me about this skate, and so I was finally able to get my hands on some of them, and we're gonna try them out today. Now, you may notice that these skates are not exactly how they come out of the box. So I will point out to you the things that come the way that they are on the skate and the things that I've modified a little bit so that you will know what to expect if you were to buy the Sure Grip Fame. So the Sure Grip Fame is made by Sure Grip. Sure Grip makes lots of different roller skates. The Sure Grip Fame, I think, is one of the most popular Sure Grip skates. And I have lots of people that ask me about this skate on the daily. So let me give you a little bit about the actual specs of the skate. The first thing that you might want to know is that this skate is a vegan skate. So if you are looking to get a skate that is made of just vegan materials, this may be the skate for you. The boot is a vinyl boot, and it is stiff. The uppers are stiff, the backstay is pretty stiff, but the inside has a soft, plushy microfiber lining. I definitely think, having tried on this skate, that when you put your feet into the skate, it does really feel comfortable right off the bat. I didn't feel like there was any break-in time when I tried these skates on and started skating with them, and I really felt like it hugged my foot and gave me a nice comfortable feel when I was skating. That being said, with this skate, when it comes to fit, when you put the boot on, what I notice in comparison to other skates that have these stiff boots is that for me, the backstay was the most stiff part. So for me, it wasn't when your foot is in there, you have a lot of support. I didn't feel stuck in it when it came to going side to side or moving my ankle forward, but I did feel like I had that really stiff support in the back of my foot and my ankle. These are an artistic boot. They are the 37 artistic boot, I think, from Sure Grip. And so that is what you're going to be getting when you get the Sure Grip Fame when it comes to the boot itself. When you look at it, like, this squeezes pretty easily. If you try to go like this, it doesn't squeeze as easily, but the sides have that flexing to it, which is really, really nice. When it comes to the laces, these are actually derby laces, so these are not the laces that come with the Sure Grip Fame. You're just going to have some basic laces that come with the skates. And also, something to note about the boot and this top part is that this skate comes in both black and white. And what I think is great about it is that this black and white basis makes it so I think that, like, the Sure Grip Fame is a great skate to customize. So if you're trying to be out here painting your skates, or if you want to somehow make them your own in a sort of way with the actual exterior of the boot, then the Sure Grip Fame might be a really good option for you. Yeah, so the lining on the inside of the boot and the sole is all attached, and so I can't pull it out and show it to you, but I will say that it has bounce to it, so it really contributes that whole feeling of being really comfortable when you put your foot into the skate. Moving on down to the hardware, we have got an adjustable toe stop. This is an RX toe stop. This isn't the toe stop that comes with the Sure Grip Fame. Sure Grip Fame comes with just like a basic white or black toe stop, but you can change it out for any toe stop that is adjustable that you would like. The RX toe stops are really cool because they come in a bunch of different colors, which is awesome. The plate that it's attached to is a nylon plate. It is the Shore Grip Rock plate. So this is going to be really durable. It is a bit more heavy than other nylon plates that I've felt before, but that could be like a thing that impacts you personally or preference-wise. The trucks are metal. So the trucks that are attached to the nylon plate are metal. We've got some cushions on there, some kingpins. It all looks pretty good, and it looks like just basic Shore Grip trucks. If you look at it, it even says Shore Grip on there.
I have a question. How's the toe box feel?
It doesn't feel wide per se, but I think it has more flex to it than other skates do. And I think that's why it's more comfortable for people with wider feet. So if you look at it, it doesn't look wider necessarily, but it's the material itself that stretches out and makes it so it's not that bad for people with wider feet. So the last real part of the specs of this skate are the wheels. These are the Shore Grip Gravity glitter wheels. These are not the wheels that come on it, but these are wheels made by Shore Grip. These are outdoor wheels that Shore Grip makes that I really like, and Shove also likes. But the Shore Grip Fame wheels that the Shore Grip Fame automatically comes with are called, I think, the Fame wheels, and they come in a bunch of different colors. They're 57 millimeters and they're 95A, which means that they are indoor wheels. They are harder wheels. However, a lot of skate shops will allow you to switch out the wheels for softer wheels like outdoor wheels, or if not, there are outdoor wheels that you can buy and you can switch them out, not a problem. What I really like about this skate is that they go all the way up to a size 14. So you can get these in junior sizes, and you can also get these in a skate size or men's size from 1 all the way through 14. So let's go try them out.
I want to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my hair down if I want. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder.
Alright, so let's talk a little bit about these Shore Grip Fames. So I wore them around my neighborhood. I wore them a few different times. I took them to the skate park. I tried a bunch of stuff, and I am now ready to tell you my opinion. Dun 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 dun. Okay, so overall, my whole impression is that I think that this skate is actually a really good skate, especially for the price. One, I think that putting these skates on, there's not really going to be a break-in period at all for you. They are kind of like skating on clouds. When you put your feet into this wonderful boot, this microfill, is just so plushy and so like you put your foot in and you're like, wow, did I even need socks for this? Like, it's amazing. And so I definitely think that comfort level, they are really, really high on that scale. Also, these are one of the few skates that really are great for people with wide feet. People with wide feet, these skates are going to work for you. I have talked to many of my friends who have wide feet. I have medium wide feet, and they didn't bother me. They felt comfortable. There was width right here, so even though they don't look especially wide, the insides kind of form to your foot a little bit, even though this outside part is vinyl. I think it's the plush on the inside that makes it so comfortable. So I would say overall with the boot, I felt that there was a lot of flexibility in the front. So when I was skating around, I felt like I could bend my ankle forward or to the side. And that's not something that you often get with the stiff uppers that many of vinyl boots. You don't often get that feeling. For me, mostly the really stiff part of it came in the backstay. So it really did push up against the back of my ankle in that way. So it's a good medium level support. Like, it has that support in the back for sure, and it has the support on the sides, but it's a little bit more flexible. I love that this skate has an adjustable toe stop. I think that that's really awesome and very important for a skate. Shore Grip has many different types of skates, and so far this one I like the most of all the ones that I've tried. Just especially because of its comfort level. The thing that I think is weird that I'd like to talk about this skate is that the plate is nylon, which is the same plate that comes, it's not the same plate, but it's the same material that comes on the lollies, the Moxie lollies. But for some reason, they've painted the nylon this silver color, and it's actually quite hideous. And I'm not sure why you would do that, except for to make people think that you are giving them a metal plate when in reality it's nylon. And I just think that that's weird and sus. The plate is fine. Like, nylon is good. I don't know why we're trying to like pretend that it's metal though. I don't know that like metal plates is a look per se, but maybe they thought it was. But either way, I think that I could definitely go without the like painted silver plate. Like, I don't know what's going on there. When it comes to trucks and all the other hardware though, it felt very durable. It felt like, oh, this is all on here good. I felt like I could really command control over my skate. So I would overall say that these are really great skates, especially if you want to start out and you want to make a little bit of an investment into a skate, but you're not willing to make like a full big investment. These skates are a great option for you. I think that you could take them just casually cruising. I think you could take them to the skate park. I don't think that I would suggest being very aggressive on these skates, specifically because when you're aggressive skating, that's the thing that breaks nylon plates. And so it's not like a weight issue so much as like how hard are you on your skates. So if you're a super aggressive skater and you want to get this boot, then you might want to change out the plate that it comes with. I didn't actually get to try the wheels that it comes with, so don't have any comments on that. But I do think that overall, it's like a very plain, you could have your own creative prowess over this skate, which is pretty awesome. I would recommend these for beginners. I would recommend these for intermediate. I feel like these are just a overall pretty quality skate, especially for the price. Thanks for watching this episode of Queer Girl Straight Skates. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you want to get these Shore Grip Fames, you can get them at almost any skate shop online. I definitely am looking forward to seeing you with your new skates. If you want to support me, you can become a Patreon. The link is in the description. I put out vlogs every week for my Patreons, or you could buy these super cool new tie-dye merch tees that I made. They're in my Etsy. And most importantly, cheers to the queers!